How and where did you design and order flyers? I use a local provider for my flyers. Design, I use Canva, but Canva is a really great resource for flyers and designs. This is an example of a flyer that I made. I focus a lot more on like heavy ad copy instead of like images. Remember, I'm not a designer. This is just the way I do my own advertising. Hate picking up dog poop. Want to build time building memories for your loved ones? We can help. Exclusive offer. And I show them what the different offers are, and I give them the call to action for signing up. And then I provide the list of services. If I was going to do this differently, I would probably talk more about the benefits someone would get working with me instead of the services, right? Because you want to focus more. This is more features instead of benefits, right? If you really talk about features in your advertising, no one is going to care about what you do because you're just talking about who you are. What's better is telling people what's in it for them when they work with you. So you want to focus more on the benefits instead of the features. Business cards too. Where and how did you make those work? I'm pretty sure I designed my business cards on Canva as well, and then you can order them directly on Canva. So this is my business card. It's a cute picture of me, Anthony Salazar, owner, hate picking up dog poop, call or text. Here's my number. And then the back side is a unique QR code, so I can actually track if people are using this specific QR code. I can track, oh wow, I got 10 scans from my Anthony business cards and 30 scans from my Ashley business card. So this is what my business card looks like, and then you can print with Canva, and I ordered maybe like 100 or 200 of them. I'm not sure how I feel about the design. I think it's fine, but I'm not a designer. But if I decide this is like my final version, then I'll definitely ramp up like my printing, maybe order on Alibaba and get thousands of business cards, because I ended up getting like 10,000 door hangers for not that much money through Alibaba, so I would probably do that again.